Hey guys, so we have Gina, and what is your name?
Scarlett.
Scarlett. So we're gonna hop into CVS and share with you guys some CRT matchups. So if you have not put in your CRTs at the run machine, definitely go and print them because we have a lot of freebies and a lot of really good deals. So we're gonna take you in store to share with you guys how you can use those CVS CRTs, right, Scar?
Yeah, and bring me my peanut butter jelly just in case I get really hungry.
Smart girl. So that is the key to couponing with your kids, is bring them snacks. Guys, so I got a CRT for $2 off any personal cleansing items. So I found the CVS brand of body washes. They're priced for $1.99. So that $2 off CRT is going to make this absolutely free. So do not skip out if you got that CRT. Again, it's $2 off any cleansing, personal cleansing items. So it's going to make this free. All right, you guys, so I got a 60% off CRT for Physicians Formula Lips. So what you can do is pick up 2 of the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lips. So they're priced for $9.99. So it's going to take $5.99 off of one of them. So you'll end up paying $13.99 for both of them. And then you get an $8 extra care buck, making them $5.99 for 2 of them. So I think this is a really good deal if you would want to try out some Physicians Formula lip products. You guys, so something else you can use that CRT on for Physicians Formula is on the kit. So the Physicians Formula Butter Lip Kit, it is priced for $14.99. So that 60% off CRT is going to take $8.99 off. So you're going to get this guy for $6, you guys. So really great deal. And if you have that CRT, then definitely use it here. Something else you can use the kit, the 60% off coupon on, is on the Physicians Formula Lip Kit. So they are $14.99 and you can take 60% off. All right, you guys, so I got a really nice CRT for NYX Cosmetics. So NYX Cosmetics, there is a 3 off 12, and they're also on a spend 20, get $10 back in extra care bucks. So something you can do is pick up 2 of the eyeliners. They're priced for $9.99. So pick 2 of them up for $19.98. Then use that $3 coupon, drops it down to $16.98. Then you get the $10 extra care buck, making it $3.49 each. All right, you guys, so the 250 milligram vitamin C's, these guys are priced for $3.59, and they are buy one get one free. So I got a $3 off one CVS vitamin CRT that printed. So both of these came out to 59 cents. So I already did this transaction. You'll see it later in my CVS haul. But 2 bottles of vitamin C for 59 cents. So great deal. All right, you guys, so I also got a CRT for $2 off any hair care item. So it's priced for $1.99. So the $2 CRT will make this guy absolutely free. So great deal on a freebie if you got that CRT. All right, you guys, so another freebie we have is on the Lady Speed Stick. So the Lady Speed Stick is $2.99, and you're going to get a $2 extra care buck when you buy one. And I got $1 off one CRT for deodorant. So that's going to make that free after the CRT and extra care buck. All right, you guys, so another really good deal. If you have this CRT, I got a 3 of 10 food and beverage, and it includes candy. So you definitely could get some good pairings with some clearance Halloween candy. So this bag, this 29-ounce bag of different Hershey candies, they're priced for $5.99. So you can get 2 of them for $11.98. Use that $3 CRT, so it makes it $8.98 for the both of them. So I think that's a really good deal. And you know, if you're collecting for like holiday parties coming up, like this candy would be sufficient enough. Even if it's like Halloween on the outside, doesn't mean you can't use it for the holiday season coming up. All right, you guys, so we have a really good pairing for some cash card offers. So the Dunkin' Donuts coffee is on sale for $5.99, and I got a 2 off 8 CRT that printed for coffee and tea. So what you can do is buy 2 of them for $11.98. Use that $2 CRT, and we had printable $1 off 1 coupon. So if you still have those, pair it here. So you're going to get down to $11.98. Wait. So you're going to get down to $7.98 or just $3.99 each bag, and the starting cost is $9.29. And then you could do the cash card when you spend $30 on select items, and you get a cash card back too. So really nice CRT to pair with this cash card deal. All right, you guys, so we have some nice cereal deals, and I got a 2 off 8 CRT that printed for breakfast items. So we have that printable coupon on the Honey Smacks. We also have $1.99 on select General Mills cereals, and we have some insert coupons for General General Mills as well. So we have some really great offerings to pair up with this awesome CRT. So I'm loving that they gave us some food CRTs because this is just amazing. All right, you guys, so we have a really nice pairing with a CRT. So there is a 3 off 12 or a 10 off 40 on household items. So the Tide Pods are priced for $4.94. So you can pair them with the insert coupons from the P&G. So there's a 2 off 1 for the 31 count or smaller. Also have a 2 off 1 in our P&G for the liquid. So there's a lot of pairings that you can go ahead and do here with the Tide. And then again, you could combine it with the cash card deal, combine it with that coffee deal to have some really good offerings using that CRT for laundry care. So you can also use that laundry CRT, the 3 off 12, with the Downy deal. So the Downy is buy 2 select Tide and Bounce products and you get a $2 extra care bucks. So you can go ahead and use one of your liquid Downy coupons to make for a really good deal, and then you can pair it with the Bounce dryer sheets as well, but just be really careful with your insert coupons because now these are a limit of 1. But if you got those laundry CRTs, then I definitely want to share with you guys a few deals you can do using our insert coupons. All right, so we also got a 10 off 40 any household items, so laundry, paper products, cleaners, and if you look at the Total Home brand, they are on a spend 15 get $5. So there's so many different things with the Total Home brand. So you have toilet paper, paper towels, you have paper products, you have paper cups, there's cleaners on the other aisle. So just look for your tag that says spend 15 get 5, and then you can go ahead and pair it with this 10 off 40 CRT. All right, you guys, so another deal you can do is on CoverGirl. So CoverGirl mascara, I'm gonna highlight the Exhibition mascara. So it's priced for $7.99. And we still have 2 off 1 coupons from our inserts, and there's a 3 off 1 coupon that printed from the Red Machine. So that'll drop it down to $2.99. And then they're also on a buy 2, get $5 back in extra care bucks. So if you have 2 of those mascara coupons, okay, so if you have 2 of those mascara coupons, you would buy 2 of them for $15.98. You would use the $3 CRT, and then you would take $4 additional off. So now you're at $5.98. You get the $5 extra care buck back and making them 49 cents each. So you potentially could get a freebie if you have a cheaper mascara, but this is actually the cheapest I'm seeing here at CVS. Thank you guys so much for watching today's how to use your CVS CRT video. So make sure you check out my full CVS in-store video. It'll be in the description box. I will have a haul video up for you guys tomorrow morning, so look out for that. I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.